Good morning, dear students. Today we have discussed about our BSc third sem syllabus. Due to this pandemic situation, instead of face-to-face teaching, uh, we have used various online platforms, including Meet, Zoom, Google Classroom, Moodle, and another softwares, which is relevant to our online teaching. So first of all, welcome all of you in an online teaching mode. So this one is BSc third sem physics syllabus, which is recommended by our university, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. Here there is course code physics 201, paper number 7. Name of the paper is Mathematical, Statistical Physics and Relativity. Uh, this carries uh, 45 periods, and I think there is 50 marks. Here paper number 202, sorry, paper course physics 202, and paper number this one is 8. Okay, and name of the paper is Modern and Nuclear Physics. The proposed periods to complete this paper is 45, and maximum marks allotted for this paper is 50, this much. Okay, and today we have to take some syllabus related to both theoretical papers, paper number 7 and paper number 8. So let us we have to see here. Paper number 7 includes, the title of the paper is Mathematical, Statistical Physics and Relativity. As you know, to know the physical quantities in physics, the mathematical equations or the basic of mathematics is play a vital role. So as per our university, to insight the or to understand the basic concept of physics, we have some mathematical basic equations you have to know. So for our university particularly, the basic of mathematics, particularly differentiation and ordinary differentiation equation have been put forth. So this includes limit function, partial differentiation, successive differentiation, total differentiation, exact differentiation, and chain rule. Another one is ordinary differential equation, order and degree of differential equation, solution of first order differential equation, and solution of second order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Next one is homogeneous equation. In homogeneous equation, special case of exponential, right hand to find pi. The second chapter includes statistical basic and classical statics. And this first point is introduction, probability, principle of equal, a priori probability and frequency, some basis rule of probability theory, permutation and combination, macro and microstates, phase space, thermodynamics, yeah, probability, thermodynamic probability, division of compartment into cells, Maxwell-Boltzmann energy distribution law, evaluation of Gi alpha and beta, Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution or MB distribution function for ideal gas, Maxwell-Boltzmann speed distribution law. These are the related to the, or in we can say including the chapter number 2. Third chapter, that is the quantum statics. This one, quantum statics. Need of quantum statics, Bose-Einstein distribution law, Planck's radiation law, Fermi direct distribution law, electron gas, Fermi level and Fermi energy, EPO for electrons in metal, comparison of three statics, distance between classical and quantum statics. And last chapter, that one is the theory of relativity. As you know, uh, Einstein equal to mc square, famous equation. So this origin of relativity is proposed by Einstein in approximately 1930s. So relativity, introduction, frame of reference, Galilean transformation equation, Michelson-Morley experiment, special theory of relativity, Lorentz transformation equation, length contraction, time dilation, addition of velocities, variation of mass energy equivalence. These are the relativity related articles which we have to learn in online platform. Another one, for this fourth chapter, you have the some important reference books. Mathematical Physics by Gupta Kumar, Mathematical Physics by B.S. Rajput, for thermodynamics, Heat Thermodynamics and Statistical Physics by Brijlal N. Subramaniam, Textbook of Heat and Thermodynamics, J.B. Rajam, Modern Physics by R. Murugshan. These are the 5 reference books which are important one. Also, besides to this, we have to uh, take another paper, Nuclear and Modern and Nuclear Physics. As per university workload, I will taught you this paper number 8, which have 4 chapters. So, Modern and Nuclear Physics, paper number 8. For this one, here, first chapter is photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect, chapter first includes its introduction, Lenard's method to determine E by M, electron to mass ratio for photoelectrons, Richardson and Compton experiment. Richardson and Compton experiment, a relation between photoelectric current and retarding potential, a relation between velocity of photoelectrons and frequency of light, photoelectric cells. It includes photoemissive cell, photovoltaic cell, photoconductive cell, and application of photoelectric cells. Chapter number 2, X-rays. As you know that in day-to-day life, X-rays play a vital role for any type of accident is taking place with human being. At that time, we have to take the first of all X-ray of the concerned uh, patient to know exactly how the bones are cracked. So this is the boon of physics. So chapter 2 is X-rays. It includes introduction, absorption of X-ray. Another important is this one, Liu experiment After that, Bragg's law, this Bragg's law, Bragg's spectrometer, powder crystal method, the Liu method, X-ray spectra, main feature of continuous spectrum, and last one is characteristic of X-ray spectrum. So after that, chapter number third, it includes nuclear forces and models. As we know that in universe, in nature, there is various types of forces are available: wind force, gravitational force, tidal force. Various forms of forces are existing. But strongest force is nuclear force. The force which is created interaction between the two atoms of the any type of material, that is called the nuclear force. So it nuclear forces chapter introduction, binding energy, nuclear stability, nuclear forces, Mason theory of nuclear forces, liquid rock model, cell model, energy release in fission, chain reaction, atom bomb, nuclear reactors, nuclear fission, source of stellar energy. So, uh, particularly atom bomb, how to prepare it? It's very tedious process. Means combining of two atoms to form the atomic atom bomb. Means there is a fission process is taking place, and in due course, tremendous amount of heat energy is released in atomic bomb. Particularly, two nuclei combining, and when they interact each other at that time, tremendous amount of energy is released. Particularly, if you are to talk about the uranium natural 235, when we are to fission it at that time, vast amount of energy is released, and we know that in 45, 46, I think, on August 6, Hiroshima and Nagasaki successively US dropped the atomic bomb, and there is a little boy, bomb name is, and very tragedy is taking place in that case. So these are the drawbacks of this atomic physics also as well. So we have to precaution must be taken in future also. So for this one, how atom bomb are prepared, manufactured, and related to that one is nuclear reactors, nuclear fission, and stellar energy. So these are the only basic for your syllabus, only not in detail. And last chapter is there is chapter number 4, particle accelerators and detectors. So linear accelerator, cyclotron, synchrocyclotron, betatron, ionization chamber, proportional counter, and GM counter, that is Geiger-Müller counter. And reference book recommended for this syllabus is Modern Physics by J.B. Rajam, Modern Physics by R. Muruksen, Nuclear Physics by Kaplan, Nuclear Physics by B.N. Srivastav, and last one is Atomic and Nuclear Physics by N. Subramaniam. These are the 4 chapters: photoelectric effect, X-rays, nuclear forces and models, and last chapter is particle accelerator and detectors. Thank you all of you dear students, and keep in touch with if you have any facing online problem to handle this Google Classroom. Uh, Thank you all of you, and have a great day. So I think we have to stop here.